CBSE NCERT, Subject English, Grade 9, Beehive Textbook, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. About the author. The Road Not Taken is a narrative poem by Robert Frost, first published in August 1915 issue of the Atlantic Monthly, and later published as the first poem in the collection Mountain Interval 1916. Its central theme is the divergence of paths, both literally and figuratively, although its interpretation is noted for being complex and potentially divergent. Introduction. The Road Not Taken is a well-known poem about making choices in our life. The choices we make shape us. In the poem, the road symbolizes our life and the path that we don't choose is the road not taken. The poet describes his life experience and says that long ago he had two choices to make. He had chosen one and moved ahead with it. Now, if he wants to make another choice, he can't do so. The message the poet wants to convey is that the choices we make significantly impacts our life. If we make the wrong choice, then we can't go back and correct it. We will have no option other than regretting it. So, we should be wise enough while making a choice or choices in our life. First stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Explanation of this stanza is the poet was walking down the road when he found a diversion where two roads diverged in different directions. The poet feels sorry as he cannot travel on both the roads. He has to make one decision and choose a single path. At the junction, the poet stood for a long time and tried to look at the roads as far as he could. He wanted to see the roads and wanted to know about both paths, but he could not see anything beyond the diversion as the roads were curved and covered with the trees. In the stanza, the yellow wood refers to the forest with leaves, which was shed on the road and had turned yellow. This indicates that it was autumn season. Through this stanza, the poet wants to convey that in everyone's life there comes a time when we have to make choices. We have alternatives, but we have to choose only one. At that time, we see the pros and cons of the situation and take the time to decide which path to take. Similarly, the poet is also taking time before making any decisions. Figures of speech in first stanza. Symbolism. Two roads which represents two or more choices in our life. Metaphor. There are many metaphors in the poem like road, fork in the road and yellow woods. The road in the poem is the metaphor of life while the fork on the road metaphorically represents the choices we make to determine the course of our lives. Similarly, yellow woods are the metaphor of making decisions during the hard times of a person's life. These metaphors used in this poem emphasize the importance of different decisions we make in different situations and their impacts on our lives. Next figures of speech is anaphora and repeated at the beginning of lines 2, 3 and 4. Second stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted bare, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Explanation. After taking a long time, the poet decided to take the other road. He thought that both the roads were equally good. He started walking on the road which has grass on it and feels that it was a better road for him. The grassy road means that the road was not used and it wanted wear means that only a few people have walked through it. After walking some distance on the road, the poet feels that both the paths were almost the same. There was hardly any difference between them. Through this, the poet conveys that in our life, whatever decisions we take or choices we make, each choice has some advantages and some disadvantages. Problems are everywhere, so we must be ready to face them. Figures of speech in second stanza. First figures of speech, alliteration. Wanted wear. Ver sound is repeated. Though, that. The sound is repeated. Simile. A simile is a device used to compare things with familiar things to let the readers know it easily. There is one simile used in the second stanza, such as just as fair. It shows how the poet has linked the road less taken to the easy way through life. Third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Explanation. The poet says that both the paths seemed to be similar that morning. Leaves were shed on both the roads, and they were still green. It means that no one had walked on the roads. He decided to take one path that day and the other path on another day. However, he knows that one way leads to another way. He could not go back and take the other path once he moved ahead with one. Similarly, in our life, when we make one decision, we can't go back. We have to move ahead with the same choice and face the problems which come our way. Figures of speech in third stanza. Alliteration. First four. For sound is repeated. Fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Explanation. The poet says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he reached a point in life where he had to make one choice. There were two options for him, and he had to opt for one. At that time, he decided to take that road which was less traveled by people. It means that he took that decision which rare people take, and that decision has changed his entire life. The poet sent a powerful message that people should decide wisely in their life because the decision they take will have an impact on the rest of their life. Figures of speech in fourth stanza. Repetition. Ages is repeated. Two roads diverged in a wood. This sentence is repeated in stanza 1 and 4. Analysis. The Road Not Taken is one of Frost's most popular works. It is a frequently misunderstood poem, often read simply as a poem that champions the idea of following your own path, but rather it expresses some irony regarding such an idea. Frost himself wrote the poem as a joke for his friend Edward Thomas, who was often indecisive about which route to take when the two went walking. A New York Times book review on Brian Hall's 2008 biography, Fall of Frost, states, whichever way they go, they are sure to miss something good on the other path. Regarding the sigh that is mentioned in the last stanza, It may be seen as an expression of regret or of satisfaction. However, there is significance in the difference between what the speaker has just said of the two roads and what he will say in the future. According to Lawrence Thompson, Frost's biographer, as Frost was once about to read the poem, he commented to his audience, "You have to be careful of that one. It's a tricky poem, very tricky," perhaps intending to suggest the poem's ironic possibilities. Thompson suggests that the poem's narrator is one who habitually wastes energy in regretting any choice made. Belatedly, but wistfully, he sighs over the attractive alternative rejected. Thompson also says that when introducing the poem in readings, Frost would say that the speaker was based on his friend Edward Thomas. In Frost's words, Thomas was a person who, whichever road he went, would be sorry he didn't go the other. He was hard on himself that way. Structure and rhyme scheme of the poem. The poem consists of four stanzas of 5 lines each, with the rhyme scheme as A B A A B. The first line rhymes with the third and fourth, and the second line rhymes with the fifth. The road not taken reads naturally or conversationally, beginning as a kind of photographic depiction of a quiet moment in Yellow Woods. The variation of its rhythm gives naturalness, a feeling of thought occurring spontaneously, affecting the reader's sense of expectation. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share for more such videos.